24/2024. 4600, 1 kilogram. 14, 1 kilogram. Weather condition, sunny day. Agronomic data, 31 dash 31 dash 37 dash 31 dash 37 dash. Stages of the fruit, early tillering, mid, average plant height 49.6, average number of pillars 19.4, average number of leaves 4, LCI 5, weather depth 4.5 cm. Ito po yung talim na palay. Meron din tayong sun. Ito yung sunny day. Ngayon, ang gina ay wala kaming insect test. Ang meron lang dito ay natural enemies. Siya si damselfly, 2. Si dragonfly ay 1. Si lady beetle, 2. Si meredbug ay 1. Jumping spider, 1. Ang total ay 6 natural enemies. Ang general observation, number 1, rare presence of hole. Number 2, spider web. Number 3, MC15. 4, water depth 4.5 cm. Rare presence of weight. Ang recommendation is maintain, monitoring, maintain 3 that's 5 cm hand weight. Any question, classmates?